pranayama. Bring your thumb fingers near to your eardrums. Gently with your thumb fingers close your eardrums. Bring your index fingers on your eyebrows. Middle finger on your eyes. Don't give pressure to your eyes. Bring your ring finger on your upper lips. Little finger below your lower lips. Stretch both the hands up. Try to touch your tip of tongue on your upper palate. Close your mouth. After deep inhalation, while exhaling time, chant Makara, humming sound, honeybee sound loudly. Take deep inhale. Inhale deeply and slowly. Slowly drop down both your palms. Feel the vibrations and energy on your upper parts of the body. Enjoy that vibrations. Very beginning, you can do only with your thumb fingers, closing your eardrums gently. Touching your tip of tongue on your upper palate. Close your mouth. Close your eyes. Slowly drop down with your palms. Feel the vibrations and energy on your upper parts of the body. Enjoy the vibrations. Relax completely. After practice, then you can do with your thumb finger closing your eardrums, keeping your index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please see description for more details about benefits, contraindications and all. Thank you very much.